Hi guys, welcome to this quick review of this IWEEL professional lady shaver IW-9012. Yeah, the listing on Amazon says shaver for women, electric razor, painless lady foil shaver, wet, dry, cordless 3-in-1 blade trimmer, rechargeable, waterproof, body, facial hair remover for eyebrow, back, arms, legs, underarms and bikini area. And yeah, it's only about 17 or $18, has pretty good reviews. And the thing is, I mean, of course it's so cheap, you can just buy it and try it and then send it back. But when you're watching my video, you can save time and money and pain. So how good is it really? Yeah, let's just start at the beginning. What you get these instructions, of course, which tells you what you get, what it is and how to use. I hope you can see everything. So if you want to make a better buy decision, or you bought used, or you just lost the instructions, maybe it helps. But I mean, it's not rocket science, so it's pretty easy to use. By the way, here you get also some support information if you need that. That's the box: eyebrow, armpits, bikini area, arms, back, legs. And yeah, that's it. And I have been using this thing this morning in the shower, more or less for a whole body hair removal, and I mean with water. And this is my experience. By the way, regarding charging, yeah, it says 2 hours 90 minutes. And with the charging, there's something here. I hope you can see that when we turn it on, you should be able to see. Yeah, I turn it off again, but you can see here that there is almost nothing to see. When you turn off the light, yeah, you can see something, but it's really difficult to see anything regarding a charge. And it's same thing while charging. So this is not something which is really well done, but we get the thing. I mean, it works pretty good. You can remove the heads easily. This is how it looks inside. Yeah, it's not totally waterproof, but I think it's more or less water resistant, so it doesn't matter if you're using this under running water, or at least clean it with running water after using it. I've been doing that and it collected some water, so I would say, yeah, after using this, it would be a good thing to take it off and let it dry, so no mold or something can build inside. So it's really easy. You can switch these heads in a couple of seconds if you're used to that. So, and you get this charging cable. You don't get any charging plugs or so you would have to use your own USB charger, but you can use any kind of standard charger that you're using for a phone or anything else. Just needs to be below 7 volts, but standard USB is 5 volts, so no problem with that. And you're charging this thing here. I think this is even more or less like a standard shape here. Maybe you can use this also for other items, but it looks like it's pretty much waterproof. Good thing here, you get also some description on the shaver itself. I don't know why it says lady. I mean, maybe it has some kind of shape for lady. It's like this blue or so, but it shouldn't be a problem to use it also for men. There's nothing else which we get. So how has it been working for shaving in the shower? I mean, I have been doing the armpits, bikini areas, basically something which we almost can say full body. And I'm comparing this to this chic Hydro 5 power razor, which I really love. And yeah, how has it been performing? So the good thing, the positive thing on flat areas where you have like strong skin, you have thick skin, especially on your chest, around your belly and those things, those areas, I have been shaving like this, really straight. It is recommended to hold it straight, and it has been doing a really good job. I mean, especially in the sensitive, I'd say a bikini area where you have usually really strong hair, it has been doing a really good job. I mean, I went back and forth a couple of times, easy, no cutting, no pain, no nothing, and it removed everything. It's smooth like a baby butt, really absolutely great. But there are some areas where I had some problems, especially let's start with the armpits. I've been trying, let's say that's the armpit, and I usually go back and forth, and it caused me a lot of pain. I mean, they are saying you should use the bent area. I mean, there's a bent blade, and here you have the straight blade. I mean, you have this floating blade here, and you should maybe use this, but I don't see any difference. I mean, when you turn it on and you're using this here, I mean, there's absolutely no pain. I think the pain is starting when you have thin skin and skin which is like wrinkling a little bit. And these are the areas, I mean, especially the armpit. It has been causing me really a lot of pain. I haven't been able to finish the armpit area. I tried a couple of times. First I thought, yeah, okay, don't be a chicken. I mean, just go ahead. There's just a little bit of pain, but there was so much pain I really had to stop. I was fearing that I was bleeding, really hurt my skin, and I was finishing with this thing which I've been using all the time till now. Then let's go down a little bit to the chest area, where men and women, we have two small areas where we are pretty sensitive, and been trying with this thing, and yeah, it hurt me as well. Not really badly. I haven't seen any bleeding, by the way. Yeah, I also checked under the arms after that. There was no bleeding. As a big surprise, I mean, I have been using similar things and I have been cutting me badly, so it was bleeding. Not with this thing. With this thing I had only a lot of pain, but there was no bleeding. And when I was using deodorant, I'm using like a crystal deodorant. I was using that like 20 minutes later or so, and it caused me still a lot of pain. So there must have been really some micro injuries or something like that. No real bleeding, but a lot of pain, especially after that. And so I think it's not a good thing. So again, down to the chest, these areas, similar thing, no bleeding, but a little bit of a pain. And I mean, it has been cutting, but yeah, I'm not really happy with that. Then let's go down to the bikini area, where we have the strong hair. It has been doing a good job, but when we go a little bit more down, I mean, I'm a male, I cannot tell you anything how it would work for female, but I guess it would be a similar thing. And in the areas which you are most sensitive, I would say, for men, I'm not mentioning any names or so. I have to keep my channel safe, but I'm assuming that you can guess what I mean, which area of male I mean when I'm talking about most sensitive. We have really thin skin there, and it can wrinkle, and that's the problem. I've been trying to use it like flat there, but it never worked. It caused me a lot of pain. I've been trying and trying and trying, and every time I've been trying, it caused me pain. So probably I was hitting somewhere here or here, even though I tried like just to be 90 degrees, but never worked, just caused me pain. No bleeding again. There was really no bleeding, but there are really some problems with that. I mean, 90% of the areas I've been really successful with doing that. It has been cutting really low, really smooth. I'm really happy. It has been waterproof, easy cleaning, everything really good. You get also this protection. Also this thing here works really good when you're using that. There's no pain. I mean, you can even use that, I think, not only eyebrows, you can use that even maybe in the nose, ears, other areas where you maybe had some problems with this thing, where it doesn't have been cutting enough. You can use this. You can see it's pretty safe. There is no pain even here. So overall, I would say it's one of the better things. I have already been using or trying similar things which were really bad, which hurt me bad, caused a lot of pain and even bleeding. This thing, only a lot of pain, but no bleeding. If you want to use it, do it on your risk, but I will, for myself, keep looking for something which is better and which is not only causing no bleeding but also no pain. I hope there will be something finally. I mean, this is pretty close, pretty good, probably the best thing which I ever had, and I will still put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out, order it from there if you like it. And I will also put down the link to this one here, Chic Hydro 5 Power Shaver. I mean, sometimes they sell it under the Wilkinson's Word brand, but actually I think it's a Chic Hydro 5, which is my favorite, and I'm using this every week, everywhere. Has never caused me any pain, no bleeding, no nothing. I'm sharpening this thing with some kind of silicone mat, which I will also put down into the link so you can check it out. I'm sharpening this thing every week so I can use this for many months, as long as I keep this clean. So this is still my favorite. This is not bad, but still my favorite. It's only $12, so you can even save some money. Of course, this will last probably for a longer time, but anyway, it's up to you to decide with which option you want to go. But I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.